Good morning, neighbor. How are you? It is a nice day today, isn't it?
Good morning, Patrick. In fact, it really is. Sunny and fresh. Amazing.
Yeah, certainly I see you're ready to go to work, or you don't work today.
Oh, sure. I have to work every day. Today, I have to arrive earlier than usual.
Oh, why is that? Is there any special reason, or you just want to be more punctual?
No. What happens is that today I start my new work schedule.
Oh, good for you. I'm asking you because I always see you leaving at 8 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah, I used to work from 8 to 5 p.m., but not anymore. It has changed now.
I always thought your life was interesting. Can I know more about your daily routine?
Of course. It is not as interesting as you think, but I do a lot of things during the day.
I know. I always see you doing different things. What time do you usually wake up?
Well, I wake up at about 5 in the morning and then I meditate for 1 hour.
You know what? I never tried to meditate. It sounds like a little difficult for me.
Difficult? I don't think so. I think you should try. It can help you relax.
I shall think about it. How many hours do you meditate, or how is this thing?
Actually, it is just some minutes every morning. It helps me focus on my things.
I see. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning and think about all I have to do that day.
We can say that is a type of meditation. There's not only a single way to do it.
Oh, I did not know that. Thanks for telling me. And what do you do after you meditate?
Right after that, I take a shower. It is usually a cold shower to wake me up and get ready.
Cold shower? Oh my God. Happily, it's not very cold these days.
Although, it sounds painful, it isn't. You just need to get used to it.
Yeah, well, I don't usually take a shower in the morning. I normally do it at nights.
Oh, that's good too. I have tried that a couple of times, but never worked for me.
As you said before, you just need to get used to it. At the beginning, it is very difficult.
Yeah, I see. Well, after taking shower, I get dressed and cook my breakfast.
I did not know you cook. Does not your wife make you breakfast in the morning?
No, because she leaves home earlier than me, so she does not have much time.
Oh, that's why I never see her leaving your home in the mornings. I get it now.
Yeah, she works from Monday to Sunday from 5 to 6 in the afternoon.
Wow. She must arrive very tired after a long day at work, I suppose, right?
Just like that. She works harder than me. She is a really strong woman.
Well, so you prepare your own breakfast then. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Since I don't have much time for that, I often fry some eggs and eat them with bread.
Well, eggs are healthy, so I think that's okay. And what do you drink with your fried eggs?
Orange juice or pineapple juice. It depends on what I want to drink that day.
You must know everything about healthy food, since you are a famous nutritionist.
I don't know everything, but yeah, I can tell I can decide what to eat and drink to be healthy.
I don't usually eat eggs, you know. They are not on my list since I am allergic to them.
Oh, I didn't know that. If you want me to give you a special diet, you should come home.
Thank you, doctor. I will take that into consideration. So then you leave?
No, after having breakfast, I need to water my plants. I have a lot of them.
Yeah, I saw your garden. It is really big and with a lot of different plants. Nice garden you have.
Thank you. It is not easy to take care of it. I have to water them every day.
I suppose so. I don't have a garden at home, but I have some plants in my yard.
They are nice too. Well, after that, I leave home to work at about 7 in the morning.
Do you always drive your car or you take the bus or maybe a taxi sometimes?
I usually drive my car, but when it does not work, I have to take a taxi or the bus.
Well, you know I drive a taxi, so if you need a ride anytime, you just need to call me.
That's great. Do you work as a taxi driver every day or it is just for hours?
I drive from 6 to 1 in the afternoon. After that, I go to my store in the center of the city.
Well, maybe you can take me to work from Monday to Friday. Is that okay?
That's okay for me, but what about your car? Won't you drive it anymore or what?
To be honest, I don't like driving my car. I get stressed and angry with the traffic.
Yeah, I totally feel you. And what time do you finish work? Maybe I can pick you up too.
I finish work at about 5 p.m., but before that, I need to eat something for lunch at work.
If you eat late, you can have health problems. Am I right? I have watched that on TV.
Not always, but yeah, sometimes. In my case, I follow a special diet that allows me do that.
You are the expert, so no questions about that. I can bring you home at about 7 p.m.
That's good for me. I have to arrive before my wife, so we can cook dinner together.
What do you usually have for dinner? Also fried eggs? I don't think so.
No, no. We sometimes cook pasta or just order a pizza. Sometimes.
I always eat vegetables in the evening. I need to be healthy, and I don't like fast food.
Oh, that's good. Well, after we eat dinner, we often watch series on TV or a movie.
I don't watch any series or movies. I don't like to watch TV. I prefer to play cards or chess.
I like to play chess too. Maybe we can play together sometime. It would be funny.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And what do you do on the weekends? Do you also work?
No, I don't. I don't work on weekends. I just stay home and relax all day.
I don't work on weekends either. Why don't we meet to play chess on Sunday?
That sounds great. I shall see you on Sunday, then. Now, I need to go because it is late.
I can take you to your work. I have my taxi cab ready at my house door. What do you say?
Excellent idea. All right, let's go. Can we make it to there in 30 minutes?
I don't think so. There's too much traffic now, but I shall do the possible.
Thank you very much. I will get my briefcase and then we can leave. Wait a second.